Welcome. Thank you all for coming to our Partner Development Update webcast. I'm Cody Zimmer, and with me is Kent Mullaney.
Howdy, folks.
And we wanted to give you an update of the newest release that's come out here in July. We have several things to go over with you.
Mm-hmm. This is going to be a bit of a quick one, though. We'll give you a heads up. We've got a very special release coming out next month. So that's the reason for the webcast today. You'll hear more from us coming up a little later in July. But with that, why don't we get started?
Yeah, so the first thing you'll notice is on my screen here, I'm in Insight. And that's because we have an Insight beta going on, right?
Yeah, this is our really killer new feature, which allows you to easily add personalized content directly to any Doodle-1 site. And by personalized content, we're talking about basically content that adapts based on location of the user, the frequency of their visit, and a few other different metrics that you can put into place.
Right. So you should have received an invitation to this. So if you can, please sign up, try it out. We're really excited to see your guys' reaction to this and get your feedback on this awesome new feature.
Just log into any Doodle-1 site, click on Manage Insight, and either click on New or follow the Get Started instructions right here.
Excellent. So we do have some other improvements that we've done. So we actually cleaned up the JavaScript page load. That's been improved. CSS has been cleaned up as well. So there's been some general improvements to the editor.
Yeah, and these are ongoing projects. We're really trying to make sure that with each release, we offer some improvements that you may not even see or understand are happening, but they are making the editor stronger and it's putting out better code, which is really the end game, is to have some of the best code out there possible with our Doodle-1 sites.
Right, really nice, clean sites. So another feature that we have is a new feature called Developer Mode. And this has actually been added to all partner sites, and you can access it from the design menu. And this should be turned on for you by default, but if it's not, click on Design, go down to Developer Mode, and then there's a toggle switch here where you can toggle Developer Mode on. When you do that, you'll see a little Developer Mode button in the upper right-hand corner. And if you click this, you should be able to go ahead and view the source for this page. So when you do this, the pages that you have access to, or the files, I should say, that you have access to will appear over here on the left. For instance, you see I'm on CSS, which is empty here, but I can go to Home HTML, and you can see I have full access to the HTML code. And this, if this editor looks familiar to you, it should. This is based off the Molokai theme in Sublime Text, which is a really nice looking syntax highlighter. So let me get in here. There's a few features inside the development mode that are really cool. One of them is instant validation of your code. So if I were to just put in some piece of code that doesn't quite validate, you'll see a little X will pop up. And if I tried to save this, we'll actually get a little warning down here at the bottom that there's an error, and it'll tell us where the error is, which is really, really cool. So it's validating your code the whole time. But we also put in autocomplete. So if let's say I want to add a new div in here, you can see it just adds my closing div tag, which is really nice. So let's say I wanted to put in a new link. Let's see, I'll go ahead and put this in here. You can see it actually completes my A tag, which is really, really nice. So you can use this. It's got great syntax highlighting, instant validation, and autocomplete features.
Pretty cool. We really wanted to start to add some more features that were targeting, basically our partner market, the folks that really understand web development, that really understand how to build sites, and how they can take advantage of some of the more advanced features, or the core of the actual site building process. So.
Yeah, and one thing we do want to stress is to be careful when you're in here editing. If you come in here, we're giving you full access to the source code of your site. So it is possible that you might make some changes that could also damage the site. If you make certain changes, your site may not be editable when you go back into the editor. So just something, if you're not an expert or a developer, be very, very careful, or find one to work on this for you.
Great. So another thing we did was we've updated our mapping capabilities now. Basically what we've been able to do is add some functionality to make it easier for you to input the address when you're setting up a map.
Let me add a map in here just to kind of show what you're talking about, Kemp. Let's put it how about right under here.
Great.
Okay, now our map's in. So this is a complete new, what is it called, a geocomplete interface.
Mm-hmm.
It's basically a new input form for your maps, and it's got autocomplete in here. So if we wanted to type in Duda's address, 577 College Avenue, Palo Alto, California, you can see that it automatically detects our address, and we can just select this from the list.
Why don't you try something funny, interesting, like a landmark?
Okay, so the other cool thing is, let's do like Buckingham Palace. And you'll see it brings up the search results or the related results here on Google. The cool thing about this is it's now really easy to add international addresses into the map feature and get them correct.
Pretty cool. So that's it for the new features, but you might notice we're using one of our brand new templates. This one is released about 2 weeks ago, and it's called Sky Patrol. But with this release, we actually added 3 more. We've been churning out a bunch of templates recently, really trying to give you more options as a developer so that you can come up with some new great designs and look and feel for your sites. So with this release, we have added Mona, Main Street, and Pipes. And just a week ago, we threw up Organic and Sky Patrol. So get in there, start playing with the new templates. We're really proud of the designs of these. They're looking very sharp.
Yeah, very cool new templates. So definitely check these out. I love our new template picker too. I just think this is really cool and nice.
Yeah. Making it easy. Trying to make it easy. That's all we're out there to do. So
cool. All right, guys. So this is a quick update. We hope you like these new features. And Kemp, any?
Keep your eyes open in your inboxes. Keep your eyes open in the Facebook group. We have a very big release coming up next month. So get ready for it. Look forward to talking to you then.
Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.